Hello students, this is Devarchana Raut, lecturer in computer science. In our previous slides, we have already discussed about different level of management in an organization. In our this slide, we are going to discuss about the roles of these levels of management in an organization. So already we have discussed that different levels of management in an organization are basically categorized into three levels. First, the upper level, that is the strategic managers. Second is the middle level, who are the implementation managers. Third is the lower level, who are the operational employees of the organization. So let's see that what are the different staffs are engaged to perform different types of tasks in an organization. Let's start with the administrative staffs. The administrative staff include the senior executive assistant, senior administrative assistant, marketing assistants, and sales assistants. The administrative department deals with the different types of official work through different type of assessments or different types of assessments which are handled by different assistants. We have already seen the diagrammatic representation of different level of management in an organization, in which we have a chief executive, which we can say as the head of the organization, which is subcategorized into official manager and project manager. We have already discussed that official manager holds basically the official work of the organization, whereas the project manager holds the development of some stuffs that come under the development of the organization. Okay, so basically the administrative department deals with different official work through which we can perform different tasks given to different assistants. Let's move to the next, which comes management staffs. So in an organization, different types of managers are included for their respective department work. There is office manager and project manager. We have already discussed about the office manager and the project manager, that the office manager holds basically the official work, whereas the project manager holds the work for the development of the organization, such as upgradation of any software or advancement in any hardware component, so on. Next comes the office services. The different types of official work can be carried out by the clerk staff. It includes like letter writing or any report writing or maintenance of bills, etc. They include this work comes under the staffs. Those are office clerk, office assistants, mail assistants, etc. Next comes the data entry staffs. The official data must be entered by the data entry operator, and this group of staffs, they keep all the records of every operation done in an organization, which is helpful when we also want to retrieve the data. The data entry staffs do a basic role in that. So basically the data entry staffs include senior data entry specialist, senior order entry specialist, and under which comes the order entry specialist. So next we will see So next comes the receptionist. We all know what is the work of receptionist. If we require any query or if we have any doubts regarding any official matter, then we will contact to the receptionist or the person in the reception, which include basically the front desk coordinator, or we can also say them receptionist, or we can also say them help caste or help persons. In every organization we can easily find the receptionist, in to which we can query our official matter doubts or anything. So next comes the customer service, or we can also call it as call centers. If we find any difficulty in the machinery technical purpose, we require the customer care service or call center service to get a solution of that problem or of that difficulty. So basically the customer service or call center includes customer service manager and senior customer service representative. Next comes the human resources, that is HR. We already I think all are aware about the work of or role and responsibility of HR. So the HR are basically work of HR we can take basically to recruit new persons in an organization, or to give or we can say to give job to new persons in an organization. We required a HR person to determine the new person's salary or the duties and responsibilities given to the person. So this is basically the work of HR. They recruit new persons, they decide regarding their salary, their duties and responsibilities. So basically the human resources include HR assistant, HR requirement specialist, HR benefit specialist. These all come under our HR staff. Next we will discuss the last, that is administrative healthcare. Each and every organization has some medical assessments, and there are employees engaged to this assessments too. So regarding any medical assessment to the employees of an organization, the medical department have some administrative for healthcare. They keep an record of insurance department, the medical assurance department. All this come under this picture. So basically your administrative healthcare department or staff includes insurance coordinator, medical office administrator, medical executive assistants, all the staffs who are related to healthcare. So these were all the roles and responsibilities of the different levels of persons in an organization. That all this include the administrative level, then implementation level, then operational level. There are hierarchical form of staffs under this. So overall we have discussed all the staff's jobs and responsibilities of all the different levels in an organization, that is upper level, middle level and lower level. So in